In this video, I'm going to show you how to revoke access on Zerion. Now, the first thing you want to do inside your extension is you can go to the settings cogwheel top right over here, and then you want to go into connected sites. And from here, you'll be able to see where all you are connected, okay? So as you can see, I'm currently connected on 3 different dApps over here. So I'm just going to go, for example, over here inside Uniswap, and I can just click on this button over here, and I'm basically going to basically click on yes here, and it's going to allow me to disconnect that specific site. So if I go back to the Uniswap over here, and if I actually refresh this website, you'll be able to see that I'm no longer connected with my account, okay? So if I go to the top right over here, as you can see, I'm no longer connected with Zerion, okay? Now, that's the first way to actually do it. The second one is you could go up top, and then here, it's going to say Disable Wallet Provider. You can just click on that, and from here, you can click on for 1 hour or forever, and that's also going to basically sign you out of that specific dApp. So those are basically all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.